Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your ThinkPad X13s. To mute and unmute the microphone of your laptop, you have to either press the F4 button. Now, you can either use it by itself if you have the FN lock disabled. In such case, you will see the LED indicator next to your microphone key when it's disabled, and you will not see it when it's enabled. Now, if just clicking this key by itself doesn't do anything for you, that means that the FN lock is enabled, and you can check it by seeing the LED indicator next to escape key. So right here, if you see that it's glowing, that means that the FN lock is enabled, and in such case you can either hold down FN button and press F4 along with it to use it, or you can press FN key and escape to deactivate, basically to activate the function keys lock, and then you'll be able to use F4 key just for enabling or disabling your microphone. Now, the other way to enable or disable your microphone is by going to the start menu and opening settings in here. Then in settings, we're gonna have to go to Bluetooth and devices, and then we're gonna have to go to devices list. Then let's find sound, and after that find your input devices. And to mute your microphone, you just have to click the mute icon, the microphone icon right here. This will mute your microphone device. And you will also see the LED indicator next to your microphone mute button. Now, the other way to mute your device is just by going to your internal microphone array and disabling the access to it. So just click don't allow here, and this will turn off your microphone, or allow it again to re-enable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.